So the question is the compound A on treatment with sodium gives B and with PCl5 gives C. Now B and C react together to give diethyl ether. So A, B and C are in which order? So the reaction given in the question is nothing but Williamson synthesis reaction, and in the reaction what happens is an alcohol reacts with an alkali metal to form a salt, and the reaction goes as follows. ROH alcohol plus Na gives RONA, and it's a displacement reaction. As the R group given in the question is C2H5, the reaction will be C2H5OHNA, which means the displacement reaction, and will give you C2H5ONA. Now, when an alcohol reacts with PCl5, the alcohol group is replaced by halide and it forms an alkyl halide. And the reaction goes as follows: C2H5OH plus PCl5 and C2H5Cl displaced. The sodium salt of the ethyl alcohol and ethyl chloride react together to form diethyl ether. So thus A is C2H5OH and B is C2H5ONA and C is C2H5Cl.